Welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to talk to you about uploading content to EZ360. Okay, we're in our account. To start uploading content, click any of these three upload buttons. And then you can either drag and drop your files into this upload box or click choose files and select the files you want, these two. Don't forget, to start the upload process you actually have to push another button, start upload, and then it's starting to upload. The uploading process has finished. Now, to view your content, click Return to Library or go to the Content and Playlist tabs. Now, here you can view the content that you've just uploaded and click on the little pencil icon to edit its properties. So let's just remove this. This is a monoscopic video, it's a 360 video, so the setting is right. We don't have any spatial audio, no subtitles, no custom thumbnail for now. So hit save. This second video is a stereoscopic video, stereo 360. This. Here we go. Save. Now for this account I only have one playlist, but if you have multiple playlists, then select the playlist and assign the videos to a specific playlist. We have a separate video all about playlists and we'll link to it at the end of this video.